How do I increase lead quality with YouTube ads? That's a question I get asked pretty often, and I'm going to answer it now. And it's honestly pretty simple. The best way to increase lead quality with YouTube ads is by using a disqualifier in the first few seconds. And what do I mean by increasing lead quality? This means getting more ideal clients. This means getting leads that have more buying power, that can really afford your service. So in general, it simply means to get more ideal clients, more people that actually have a chance of buying your service. And now let's talk about the disqualifier. This is the ad. And next to the ad is the funnel, because once the people click on the ad, they land in your funnel. And now let's look at the timeline beneath the ad. There's the 0 second mark, that's simply the start. There's the 3 minute mark at the end, because all YouTube ads should always be at a maximum 3 minutes. Ideally, always shorter than 3 minutes, because Google themselves said that ads that are longer than 3 minutes get penalized. Like the cost simply goes up if your ad is longer than 3 minutes. So this is the start and the end. And in the middle, or let's say in the first quarter, there's the 30 second mark. And why did I put a marker here? Because the 30 second mark, or let's say from 30 seconds to like, let's say 45 seconds, that's the mark where you have to pay for the viewer. Let's say a viewer only watches 5 seconds and then skips your ad. You don't have to pay. Let's say somebody only watches 15 seconds of your ad and then skips. You don't have to pay. I'm not really sure. It's somewhere between 30 and 45 seconds. But once someone crosses that mark, then you have to pay for that viewer. So that's the explanation for the blue 30-second mark. And now let's look at the arrows. The arrows are viewers, like people that see your ad. And some of them are green and some of them are red. The green are the ideal prospects. These are good leads. These are people that you actually want to watch your ad. And the red ones are bad leads. These are people that don't have enough buying power. These are people that don't even have the problem that you're solving. These are people that simply won't buy. Like, you don't want to advertise to these people because you don't have a chance at selling them. So the red ones are bad leads and the green ones are good leads. And if we want to increase the lead quality, this simply means we want to get more green leads and less red leads. But what most people do is they use a general hook at the start of the ad. This means they catch the attention of all the viewers and everyone simply keeps watching. They use a hook that's broad and general, and it simply catches the attention of everyone, and all of these leads cross the 30-second mark. This means you also pay for the red ones once they cross the 30-second mark here with the blue circles. And now we want to fix this. We don't want to pay for bad leads. We want to increase the lead quality. This means we only want to pay for green leads. And how do we achieve that? Same scenario, but this time we want the red ones to skip in the first few seconds, so we only have to pay for the green ones. And as you can see in this example, only green leads, so only the good ones, crossed the 30-second mark. This means we only have to pay for good leads, and this means only good leads land in our funnel. And this also means only good leads land in our sales calls or in our webinar or in our VSL. And we achieve that by using a disqualifier in the first few seconds. And now let's do a little recap. At first, we hook our target audience. And now the good, but also the bad leads are hooked to watch the ad. So now the green ones, but also the red viewers are going to watch the ad. And now we use a disqualifier to get the bad ones, so the red leads, to skip the ad in the first few seconds, so that only the good leads keep watching, and we therefore only have to pay for the good leads, and Google therefore also only optimizes for the good leads. And here are a few examples of how a disqualifier could look like. But this is only relevant for you if you have at least 3K ready to invest. In this case, everyone that has less than 3K, so everyone that doesn't have enough buying power, will skip the ad, and only the ones that have more than 3K ready to invest will keep watching, and these are the good ones, the good leads that can actually afford your service. But this is only for women, so if you're a man, simply skip this ad. So if only women are people that you're trying to sell to, using this would mean all men would skip the ad, so you only have to pay for women. But this is only for people that are serious about it and actively want to change. So here you can ensure that these people actually have the pain that you're solving, and if they are completely fine with their life right now, they would just simply skip the ad and you wouldn't have to pay for them. But if you're ... this probably isn't for you, so you can simply skip this ad. But this is only for homeowners in Florida. Let's say you're service is only for homeowners in Florida. Everyone that doesn't have a home in Florida will simply skip this ad, so you don't have to pay for them. It's super simple. And the examples I just gave you were made up examples. This was just theory. But if you look down in the video description, I linked 6 ads with 6 real examples of disqualifiers. So if you want to watch some YouTube ads from real advertisers where they use these disqualifiers in the real world, simply look in the video description and there will be 6 links to these 6 ads. That's it. Increasing the lead quality with disqualifiers is honestly pretty easy, and I hope this video was valuable for you.